Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, February the 16th, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have this man in Australia that is actually considering himself a cyborg. He's actually implemented or embedded his public transit chip under his skin so that he could actually, take the bus and the subway just by putting his hand on the machine. So basically, now he's mad because authorities have deactivated the chip, and the authorities say, well, we deactivated the chip because it was tampered with. So maybe it's not a good idea to take a public transit card chip and put it under your skin. Well, to combat image piracy, Google has removed the View Image button that was available when you did some image searches, and it's creating a big stir as a lot of people are mad at this decision. Now, Google did this because Getty Images is going crazy over the copyrights of all the images and saying that people are stealing images. So, will that change or stay like this? Who knows? Well, as the Windows Insider program is more than 10 million insiders, the Business Insider program is also quite popular, with more than 30,000 organizations that are insiders for business. So this is what is coming out today, as Microsoft says that the Insider program is as popular as ever, and that it is helping shape the future of Windows 10. Ubuntu is creating a little stir with its users, as it will soon by default collect diagnostics data and of course send it over the internet to help with bug fixing. But many users are not happy and are saying, nah, this resembles Windows 10, we don't want that, and they wish that the default for collection of diagnostics data was off by default, not on. Well, two Russian men who actually hacked NASDAQ, Citibank, stole over 160 million credit cards, have been sentenced to 12 years in jail in the United States. So basically, it just means that, you know what, it's not a good idea to do this. Well, Eric Lundgren, which is the owner of an electronics recycling company in Los Angeles, is now being sued by Microsoft for $50,000 and also risking a 15-month jail term after making illegal copies of Windows recovery disks. So, for example, he would actually take a Dell recovery disk, and because his recycling company would get, used Dell laptops, for example, well, he would resell the used laptops and copy the Dell Windows recovery disk so that he can actually give one on each machine. The problem is, Microsoft says this is illegal as it doesn't have the authentic, keys and license for that. And so Microsoft's a little mad. Mac OS X users are now wondering if third-party apps and programs are spying on them or not, as a flaw on how Mac OS handles screenshots is creating a security breach that lets apps pretty much steal whatever they want in data. And of course, a lot of users are saying, well, what is happening actually with this? Belgium is asking Facebook to stop spying and using its users' private data, or face a 250,000 euro fine per day. It says that Facebook did not explain clearly to its users what data they are actually scooping up, and that basically the company needs to stop spying on its users. And finally, at the Munich Security Conference, big tech leaders like IBM, Siemens, and Deutsche Bank, and many others have signed an agreement that will boost cybersecurity in the enterprise. They say that it is now time to act, as the internet and, just the security of computer systems needs to be at the maximum level. So this was the Tech News Update for Friday, February 16th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.